What's up guys, welcome to the Moshiri method. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. For guys, we have banger content coming along each and every day. So guys, these videos are currently going viral on YouTube, and here's how you can create such content and earn like these guys are earning. I'm going to be showing you the tools you're going to be using. We're going to be using Google Gemini, we're going to be using ChatGPT and CapCut for editing. The tools that we're using are all free, so stick around so that I may show you how you can go from zero to earning through your first channel. So guys, if you don't know who I am a content creator, and I have faceless channels that I have monetized. I have channels that have grown to 50k subscribers, and others I have grown to 24 million views here on YouTube. So guys, if you're looking for a way to start earning from YouTube, click the subscribe button so that I may show you how you can go from zero to earning millions on YouTube. So guys, I have my laptop here, and I'm going to be showing you how you're going to create this channel. So first things, you need to open up a new tab and head over to Google AI Studios. And after heading over to Google AI Studios, get started. You need to get started on Google Gemini. Then head over to Playground. You need to go to Google Pro Preview. Go back to the YouTube video that you need to copy.
Congratulations, you're a trillionaire.
Copy the link for the video, then head back to Google Pro Preview and paste. I'm going to paste the YouTube video. We're going to paste the link for the YouTube video, and then we're going to add the time frame. So in this case, I'm going to use 1 minute and 0 seconds. Then I'm going to use the end time is going to be 8 minutes and 0 seconds. Then you click on save. After saving this, you're going to copy this prompt. I've attached it in the description of this video. It's free. So copy the prompt, then paste it onto Google AI Studios and hit run. So what Google AI Studio is going to do, it will analyze the scenes, the video you've just pasted, and then it's going to give you a summary of the video that you have just pasted. Then you're going to copy this as a prompt. I've also attached it in the link of the video. So copy the prompt and head back to Google AI Studio and paste the prompt and hit on run. After getting this first summary and also getting a detailed prompts on how to create such a video, now we're going to Google AI Studio. The story we have copied was about being a trillionaire. Now we can give an example of being a POV, you became Donald Trump, and we hit run. Then we see what the Google AI Studio is going to provide us with. And after hitting run, you can see that these are the prompts that Google AI Studio is going to give you. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to copy all these prompts, because now these are the prompts that you're going to use to generate now your scenes for the video you're creating. And now after copying the prompt, you're going to open a Google Docs. You're going to paste the prompts in a new Google Docs like this. Then after pasting the prompts in the Google Docs, you're going to now create a voiceover for the story. So you head back to Google AI Studio and ask it, now provide a voiceover for the story that you have now created. And then you're going to hit on run. Now you're going to copy that voiceover, all of it, and add a section where you can name voiceover on the Google Docs that you had created. After pasting the voiceover in the Google Docs, we're going now to head over to the next step, which is creating the scenes. For this, we're going to use ChatGPT. At ChatGPT, we're going to paste this prompt. I've linked it in the description, and head over to our first scene, the prompt that is supposed to create our first scene. Copy that prompt, and then we're going to paste that prompt into ChatGPT. And remember that our video is supposed to be in 16:9, the ratio of 16:9. That is the landscape. We're going to ask ChatGPT to create the image, and we don't even need to animate it. So we've created the first image, and we're going to download it and save it. copy the second prompt. And after copying the second prompt, we're going to paste it also. We're also going to paste it in ChatGPT. ChatGPT only generates a maximum of 4 images. ChatGPT, you only have few limited options to generate your images. So in order to have many options to generate images, you need to have more than one email. And how to do this, you can either ask your friend or your mom or your relative to give you their phone. Then you can create a phone normally creates 6 emails, and after creating those 6 emails, you can now create more login in them with those emails to ChatGPT and generate more images if you haven't been satisfied with what you have been generated. To open up 11 Labs. So 11 Labs is the voice generator that we're going to use. We're going to copy our first voiceover and then we're going to paste it into 11 Labs. For me, I'm going to use this voice called Brian, because you can choose whichever voice you like. After selecting it, I'm going to hit on generate. Let me show you what has been generated by 11 Labs.
You just became Donald Trump. First step, Secret Service. Armed, 24/7 protection. One call, and your penthouse is a fortress.
So I like it. I'm going to download and it's going to appear in your downloads. So we're going to copy the second voiceover, and paste it also in 11 Labs.
Standard issue isn't enough. You upgrade to gold-plated jets and massive golf courses. $2 billion? Just a rounding error.
Then for 11 Labs, you need to make sure that you opened one tab at a time. So one email for 11 Labs gives you 10,000 generations or 10,000 credits. So after these are over, you can later on switch on to another email that has not been used to generate the voices.
The press is relentless. You retreat to Mar-a-Lago. Giant iron gates, armed guards, total isolation. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. A resort like that needs an army. Caddies, aides, lawyers, and security. 63 staff members hired instantly. Like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause. But the silence louder now than a million gods. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a rail. Seen queens trade crowns for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out of graveyard. Living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an 8. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. You just became Donald Trump. First step, Secret Service. Armed, 24/7 protection. One call, and your penthouse is a fortress. Standard issue isn't enough. You upgrade to gold-plated jets and massive golf courses. $2 billion? Just a rounding error. The press is relentless. You retreat to Mar-a-Lago. Giant iron gates, armed guards, total isolation. A resort like that needs an army. Caddies, aides, lawyers, and security. 63 staff members hired instantly.
And that's it for today's video, guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the end.